Hello, what's up everyone? Sean here from Sport Travel, and we're back with another Coach's Commute, and today we are talking breakfast. Everybody wants breakfast, and everyone needs breakfast, and everyone wants breakfast for free, right? So there's a couple things that we want to consider when looking at breakfast. One is going to be the select service hotels, and that's where it's going to be standard free breakfast. The different types of breakfast are going to vary. So a couple of different categories here. Continental breakfast, we're going to keep this general, but continental breakfast is generally going to be your cold items, cold cereals, fruit, yogurt, something simple like that. A deluxe continental generally is going to have one hot item. So this might be, some eggs, might be hot waffles. A lot of times you see with waffle makers, maybe some hot oatmeal, but not a full buffet. So there's maybe one hot item, but that's about it, including those cold items. Hot breakfast there is going to be, like I said, almost a full buffet. So we're going to have some eggs, probably one or two choices of meat, maybe it's ham, bacon, sausage, something along those lines. Probably add some potatoes in there as well. So there's going to be a few different hot options, and you're still going to get the cereals and the yogurts, things like that. So each breakfast is going to build on the previous, and from there it's really up to you to make that decision on what you need for your team. Now, most of the time, who doesn't want that full hot breakfast? A lot more choices, probably a more full hearty meal, but there may be a circumstance where that team doesn't need that full meal. And we work with a lot of cross-country teams who are really only looking for something like oatmeal and some fruit, or a bagel and fruit before a race. So they can afford to look at some of these options with a continental or just a deluxe continental breakfast, and that works for them. So discuss it with your team, discuss it with the parents, or as a coach, make that decision on what you need. We can start to narrow down some choices and really be selective about the type of breakfast that we're looking for. Now, the last type of breakfast, maybe a little bit different scenario, but would be a full service catered breakfast. So this is not going to be included in your general rate, or that's available to everyone. But this is something where, as a team, we decide to have breakfast together. We're going to pick a menu. This is more applicable for some of the larger teams, football, lacrosse, that travel together. But it still may work out. If we do some math, it may work out for the team that we end up staying at a hotel that doesn't offer breakfast traditionally. But we can ask the hotel to do a team catered meal, and it works out for everyone. The cost is reasonable. Maybe it brings the room rate down a little bit. So that might be a situation where you might pay a little bit more for breakfast than if you went out to local temple and like Dunkin' Donuts or something like that. But maybe we save a little bit on the room rate, and everything kind of balances out. So lots to consider when looking at breakfast. Figure out what's going to work for you, and we can go from there. Thanks a lot, guys. I appreciate you listening, and we will talk to you again soon.